I'm working on a Lenovo Yoga 900 pad, and we have an intermittent screen issue where if you move the screen at certain angles, the picture will show up and then just disappear. Now I've looked at the cable connector, taken off the backside, and looking at the cable here in the center of the book, I was actually thinking it was the cable itself, because I could poke the connector in the middle here without taking anything apart and get the screen to turn on. Right now, of course, you can see that it's on, off again, just moving the laptop a little bit. So I made sure that the connector here was on pretty solid, right here, and everything was looking good. So I was about to pull the screen apart, which is a major project, to get the glue loose, pull the screen apart, and get to the cable connector that's inside here. Because on this particular model, there's no way to get into the cable that's in the screen unless we just pull the screen apart. We've got to separate it by using a hair dryer to get the glue off of there. So in this case, I was just messing with the cable just a little bit back here, and as you can see, just touching it turns off my screen. I can actually get that to come on. Just touching this a little bit. So the issue here is with the connector back here, connector or cable at this end. So thankfully I don't have to take the screen apart, but I do have to troubleshoot the connection of this cable to this connector here, because this is where the issue is right here. I just wanted to point this out because some people might start tearing their entire laptop apart, not realizing that there's an issue on this end with the cable. Likely, I'm just going to clean up the connectors and make sure that this is solid over here, and that should take care of this issue.